Building serverless APIs with NestJS? Stop wiring up Lambda adapters and CDK stacks from scratch. This starter kit gives you everything production-ready. NestJS with Fastify for speed. AWS Lambda Fastify adapter for serverless. CDK infrastructure as code. DynamoDB for data. SQS for async jobs. All wired together. 4 security modes out of the box. API key for simple use cases. JWT for stateless auth. Cognito for user management. IAM for service-to-service. Pick what fits. One CDK command and your API is live on AWS. Lambda, API Gateway, DynamoDB tables, SQS queues, WAF protection. All provisioned automatically. Get the Serverless NestJS Starter Kit for $49 on Gumroad. Or try the free version on GitHub. Link in the description.